In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create a list in Brevo, and we'll get it all done in just 5 minutes. First, let's start by opening a new tab in your web browser. In that tab, go ahead and type Brevo into the search bar. This search will bring up several results, but for this purpose, what you're going to do is click on the first link that appears. It should lead you directly to the Brevo homepage. If you haven't done so already, the next step you'll need to take is to log into your account. Make sure you have your login credentials handy, whether it's your username, email, or password. Once you're logged in, you'll find yourself on the Brevo dashboard. At this point, your next destination is the Contacts section, a crucial spot for managing and organizing your contacts. You can find this section easily from the dashboard, as it should be prominently displayed or listed in one of the main menus. After you've clicked on Contacts, direct your attention to the left-hand menu. In this menu, you're going to see an option labeled Lists. Go ahead and click on that. Now, on the Lists page, you should see a button that says Create a List. Click that button to get started on setting up your new list. It's important to enter a meaningful name for your list. Think about the purpose or the group of contacts that you are organizing and give it a name that reflects that. This will make it much easier to manage later on and ensure that you stay organized. After you've named your list, look for the folder selection option. This is where you can choose to place your list within an existing folder to keep your lists organized. However, if there isn't a suitable folder already created, don't worry. You have the flexibility to create a new folder right from this section. This is a handy feature that allows you to customize your organization structure to fit your needs and helps you keep track of different lists efficiently. Once you've selected the folder or created a new one, it's time to finalize everything. You'll see a button labeled Create List. Click on that, and with that click, you've successfully created a new list in Brevo. Congratulations! You're now ready to start adding contacts to your list and begin leveraging your new organization setup. Remember, being organized in Brevo not only saves you time, but also maximizes your productivity by ensuring you have the right contacts in the right places. That's all it takes. We've created a list in Brevo in just a few minutes. Thank you for joining today, and I hope this tutorial was helpful.